guys, we're back with Tinashe Hair again. So I got the box with the wig. Oh, it's upside down. Box with the wig and the bag with the goodies. They just sent all the goodies in this drawstring bag. So let's see, this feels pretty heavy. I got a pair of invisible HD wig caps. You know, it's usually a pair that comes in here. Ooh, got this really cute printed like headband. I got a pair of lashes. It's branded Tinashe Hair as well. A branded Tinashe elastic hairline band. Edge brush and comb. I got a bonnet. Got some pins. Come in very handy. And lastly, I got these two like section clips. Same packaging as before in terms of the box. So I got these, before we get to the wig, I got this like information card. It's like a booklet. Has all their social media listed, how to care for your hair, and all that good stuff. For today's wig, it looks really good. It's a highlighted wig. It's a airy cap wear and go highlight lace closure glueless wig, and it's a body wave, and it's straight pre-cut, and it's a HD lace closure wig, by the way. Didn't come pre-cut, but it's easy to just go ahead and cut off the excess lace. But it is a glueless lace closure 5x5, looking really good. It's a medium brown. You guys know these are trending. They're very easy to just slip on and go. That's the reason why they call them wear and goes. Super convenient, and the reason why they refer to this as an airy cap is because the cap is indeed airy, so you don't have to feel like the wig, you know, like sometimes they wear wigs and it's like it makes your head so hot, like your scalp can't breathe. No, this cap is like meant to make your scalp breathe, so that's really nice. It's like mesh in here as well, and then they have like wider portions here in the mid portion, and it has adjustable strap on the inside, as well as 3 combs. They also added this elastic band so you can have more security, and you could also adjust it to how tight or loose you want it to be. So that is really nice. It's like pre-curled. These curls are really gorgeous. It's a really nice body wave vibe, and it's 24 inches long as well in terms of density. I'm going to be sure to list that in my description box, so please go ahead and check it out. The hair feels very silky. You know, it feels very silky, so I love that. It's very soft as well, and you know, it's a nice center part. I can't wait to go ahead and install this. It's gonna be a gorgeous glueless vibe, and it's gonna be super easy and quick too. These installations are like the easiest, most beginner friendly, little to no experience needed, and you look so good. So yeah, that's what we're working with for today. Super easy. You just slip it on, and it is so snugged. It's nicely snugged. Love that. Alright, so I just get my section clips because I'm just gonna go ahead and cut away the excess lace. You know, and you can do it in like a zigzag motion, that way, or pattern rather, that way, you know, it's even less detectable. And there we go. It's all off. You don't need any baby hairs. It's optional, so if you want to go ahead and add swoops, you can, but you know, I just leave that to you. So I'm actually going to go ahead and not add any swoops or anything. I'm giving this to you guys in the most convenient way possible. Alright, so this is how it's looking. Am I getting shedding? Minimal shedding. So I got a few strands. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is how the hair looks. It came pre-curled, so I love that. I love that for us. It's nice and bouncy and flowy. Before I move any further, what I want to do is just lay the top super flat with my hot comb. You guys know the drill. And elongate this parting. You know, we love a nice deep part. I just want to go ahead and for the front hair, as I said, I just want to layer it really nicely. That way, you know, the curls fall even prettier. See that? I haven't even done anything and it looks so nice. I love the fact that they intentionally streak the front like this. Whenever I get a wig that's colored this way, I always love it. But you see how good that looks? No baby hairs, no glue, no adhesive. It looks so good. So I want to go ahead and do a really pretty glam with this, which will be in a separate video. So if you guys are interested in seeing that makeup look, go ahead. You could check my channel, this same channel, and you'll see the makeup look. All right. Yeah, I went full on glam, full glam. But you guys need to check out the makeup video to catch this look. Yeah, I'm happy I did one too. I was just having fun, honestly and truly. I was so in the vibe. Anyways, let's get back to the hair. So I'm gonna be unraveling everything now. I just pinned this up. I never recurled it, just so that I could like not have them fall too much, but I love the waves. So yeah, that's what's going on. This is giving fall. Yes, I love this. Love, love, love. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I love this. I actually feel like I'm still gonna go ahead and redefine the front pieces. So this is how we're looking. Oh my gosh, guys, a full-on fall package, like the glam, the hair, everything. Guess what? No adhesive still isn't added to the wig. Listen, completely glueless. What do you say? You thought I was lying? I've been showing you guys these wigs all summer, glueless all summer, and we're going into the rest of the year with the glueless vibe. It is so undetectable. It is very convenient, little to no experience needed, very beginner friendly. Like, what more could you ask for? And like, it's not one of them vibe where, you know, when you have the easier kind of wigs where you can the wigs that you can install easy, sometimes you feel like it's not dressy enough or what. No, this you can go all the way. Special occasion overall, this your wig. And Tinashe did that today. Them really inspired me with this wig, and that's the reason why I did this glam. Like usually, you know, I'm doing like natural beats, really natural faces, but today we went all the way glam. I feel like this is just, it's just giving, and it's just nice. All I did was touch up the front piece. That's it. Everything looks perfectly like fine. I love it. Love it. They did it for me. You guys know the drill, right? I'm going to be putting the direct link to this wig in my description box, so please go down below if you're interested in getting this wig for yourself, as well as all the specifications will be listed as well, so please check that out. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today, guys. That's it. Let me know if you like this wig look, and don't forget to check out my makeup tutorial. Alright, so yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Cause